This is the description of Windows 8.1 Potato Edition. And these are the virtual machine specs. This is a custom build of Windows 8.1 Pro. It's called Potato Edition, which means that it's an optimized build for low-end computers. It's much smaller size-wise than the official 8.1, but not as small as Mini 8.1 or 8.1 Extreme Lite that I've shown in previous videos. The first thing that pops up when it gets to the desktop is Start Us Back welcome screen. Start Us Back will replace the default Metro Start menu with a classic one that comes in multiple visual styles. VMware tools can be installed, and it'll work without issues. Here's the resource usage and disk usage. It uses around 700 megabytes of RAM on idle and 10.2 gigabytes of disk space. Even though a lot have been removed, it does come with these two custom themes/wallpapers. It only comes with 7-zip, Driver Easy, and Start Us Back. The rest are regular tools and programs that come with 8.1. This is the WinVer window. Internet Explorer is also present in Potato Edition. And of course, it can't load any website because it's outdated. Classic Internet Explorer. That's it for Windows 8.1 Potato Edition.